Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix white screen Roblox error. Chapter 1. How to fix white screen Roblox error adjusting compatibility. To start, right-click on the Roblox shortcut, click on Properties. You are going to go to the Compatibility tab. First, activate the Run this program in compatibility mode for Box and select Windows 7. After this, activate the Run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimizations boxes. Then click Apply and OK. Now open Roblox from here. Click on Yes to allow the access. Chapter 2. How to fix white screen Roblox error updating drivers. To start, right-click on Start and select Device Manager. After that, in the Display Adapters section, right-click on the driver and choose Update Driver. Here, click on Search automatically for drivers and wait for this process to finish. Then click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. After this, wait if there is any update available. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. How to fix white screen Roblox error updating Directx. First, go to the link we leave you in the video description. You are going to click on Download. Now run the downloaded file. Click Yes to open the wizard. You will accept the license terms. Afterwards, you will wait for the download and installation process of the components to complete. Finally, you must wait for the components to initialize to complete the installation. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.